The Department of Agriculture, or DA, has reported a slight increase in rice prices due to additional logistics costs. This amidst the continuous oil price hike in the country. Meanwhile, affected farmers and fisherfolk are expected to receive assistance as the distribution of 150 million peso fuel subsidy starts. Elijah Canlas lays out the details.
Over 4 million farmers and fisherfolks nationwide are set to benefit from the government's extensive programs and assistance. This initiative aims to ensure food security and price stability of goods in the markets. This was emphasized by the Department of Agriculture, or DA, following inspections conducted on major public markets in Metro Manila. According to DA spokesperson Assistant Secretary Arnel de Mesa, a slight increase in rice prices was recorded due to an additional logistics costs. The DA official explained that the current supply volume and inventory are good, so any price increase is expected to be minimal. The distribution of the 150 million peso fuel subsidy has also begun, based on Executive Order 110 issued by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Ayon na rin sa itinakda, Audrey, ng Executive Order 110 at doon pa sa mga naunang kautusan ng ating Pangulo, nagsimula ng mamahagi ng tinatawag natin na fuel subsidy sa ating mga apektado, mga magsasaka at mangingisda. Nag-start na ito noong March 16 pa at tuloy-tuloy yan.
The Chief Executive has also ordered the release of 10 billion pesos in presidential assistance for farmers and fisherfolks. The President also directed the immediate use of the Quick Response Fund in response to the national energy emergency. The department is also fast-tracking the procurement or purchase of fertilizers for the planting season this May and June. Meanwhile, the DA officially announced that almost all provinces in the country now have accessible 20 pesos rice, or P20. There are now over 600 sites of P20 nationwide, and it is expected to reach 1,000 locations in the coming months. This rice comes from the inventory of the National Food Authority, or NFA, which currently stands at over 400,000 metric tons. The National Price Coordinating Council, or NPCC, has also approved the setting of a 50 peso price cap for premium imported rice. The NPCC assured that the food supply is sufficient and stable, especially during the harvest season.
Sa ating po mga kababayan ay makakaasa po kayo ng sapat na supply ng ating pong pagkain, mga pangunahing pagkain ngayong pong Semana Santa. Wala po tayong inaasahan na mabilis sa pagtaas ng presyo ng mga bilihin dahil po ngayon ay harvest season.
The government will remain focused on the markets to ensure that every Filipino has access to sufficient and affordable food. Elijah Canlas from the National TV Network for the New and Better Philippines.